Okie dokie. Cool. Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going back into Satisfactory. And if I were to recall correctly, we were on our way to get ourselves a chainsaw and some biomass. Things should be easy enough if I can find it. Tier 2 looks like, and optical clearing, that's what I want. Milestone collected. I need some screws, some copper wire, and some concrete. That seems easy enough. Are you producing? Okay, I need to... What the are you doing? Okay, have fun. Oh yeah, if I recall correctly, I need more conveyor belts. Should be easy enough. Just need to collect the supplies. And make sure that everything is going smoothly. Okay, so let's insert some more so we get more of the plating. We need more of the metal, it seems so. Oh yeah, I was doing this by hand because it's easier this way. It's also almost Christmas, so these things are falling now, so that's going to be useful. Let's see what this is. There you go. It's just a gift. Let's grab the iron ore and throw that into smeltery. It's just copper. That's going to be concrete. Okay, yeah. Not bad at all. It's a lot easier now that things are working like this. Let's check our fuel reserves as well. We don't want to run out of fuel, you know? Not the best. Actually, we could, we are going to need more supplies. This is kind of why I want the chainsaw to chop down some trees. But in the meantime, we gotta collect forestry. Should be simple. Let's do that. Oh, I could collect the actual flowers. Oh, I can pick flowers. Oh, that's cute. And there goes the tile. Can't have nice things, except for that one. That's a nice thing. Insert fuel, insert fuel. Here's the fuel. Here's some more fuel. Now, activate. Ha ha ha! Powered. Looking at this, we got iron rods here. Let's collect that. Now, if I were to judge properly, I could select a recipe and make it do screws, and then I can have it do screws, which is a good thing. Iron rods have been completed, which is good. Now, as far as the... What are you? Oh, you just fell. Well, don't mind if I do. I'm dreaming of an oversized package. I don't like this little dictator. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, okay, it's just you. Why were you giving me a radar if you're just... Ow! Okay, that's why. Oh, okay, you're a demon. Can you not? Why are you dangerous now? Did you change? Can you die? Nope. Why are you mean? Don't shout at me. I spit at you. Uh-huh. What about it? Oh, nice to know about that. Yeah, good to know. Damn it. I didn't do anything to you. Well, I'm just gonna eat my food then. I split it. I don't know why I'm looking at. Eat tab. Aha, it was tab. Nice. I'm just gonna enjoy my food then. Oh yeah, it's gonna autosave. Thanks, game. Definitely want to save here. Well, I have a taser, and I have a ladder, and I have a demon. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Oh, hello, demon. Come here. Ha! Ow! Sit, come here, no. Stab me. You see, that's how you be a nice dead thing. I'll take your corpse. Yay, corpses! Anyhow. Collecting leaves for the forestry. Don't know why things are trying to kill me when I'm trying to kill them. Kind of rude. Collecting flowers, got wood. Gotta fuel the machine for the corporate gods. Okay, okay. A lot of leaves. Not bad though. I'd like to chop down the trees. I wonder if I can grow trees. Maybe not, but if I can get charcoal, that would be great as a source of fuel. Wait again. There we go. And now, let's see what's going on. We're getting the screws easier than I thought they would. I do need concrete though, so I should probably get that started. Now the real question is, where do I want this to think? So I kind of want it to wrap around like this. Boom. So still. Then kind of angle it this way. There we go. Now this should go from here. Nope. To here. And here. To, come on. Here. And then this should wrap around to there. Aha! And now I can connect the wires with this regular wire cable. Hopefully, to something that's not already taken. It looks like I'm going to need, hold on, let's see what I can make. Q, power, pole, and if I want to match it up to, it doesn't matter too much. Actually, that's already 4. Darn it. What can I link you to? Actually, if I power everything down for a sec, if I separate Q, power off. Turn everything off. Good. Destruction. Do that. Good. Cables. Connect to you. Connect to you. Connect to you. Boom. Boom. Kapow. Now all I have to do is break the machine and then power it. That's how power works. Gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet. And break a machine to fix a machine. More leaves to collect, and then we can feed it more! Might be about time to actually have enough leaves to be able to power the other thing, so should be good. I don't need too many of this. Well, I should probably keep constructing the plate. Should I? Do I need plates? No, I need screws, concrete, and wire. So plates are not valuable right now. I just needed them for the other thing I was just doing. So I should actually have these be constructing copper wire? Yes, copper wire. Aha, science. Why is it red? Did I break something again? Or are they out of fuel? Probably out of fuel. Yeah, it's out of fuel. There you go. And power. And while that's going, we will be terrified of the sun. If this is the sun. I'm not a fan. Okay, giraffe. I forgot what I named you. I know I named the girl something with an S. I don't remember anything about that, but it doesn't really matter. Sally, Susie, Sissy, Baba Dabba Dabba is her name, including the Baba Dabba Dabba. I think I can actually remember Baba Dabba Dabba longer than I can remember Susie. My brain is weird. Okay, Baba Dabba Dabba, let's go. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Such an invigorating gameplay. Bump. Okay, let's see how far we are. Concrete's doing well, looks like. Just filling it up. How are we on screws, actually? Oh, we're halfway on screws. Great. I feel like... let's get the production of that going still. It's copper, that's copper. Don't need copper. So let's get iron working. Let's get that iron. Boom, boom. Even though I'm not at max capacity, fuel-wise, it really doesn't matter. Wires are just doing wire things. Pretty easily done. My focus should definitely be on power. I know I could definitely use creatures to fuel my... What was that? Oh, it's a dog! Maybe I should have a pet. A pet robot. Made of dogs. Probably not. But the corporate gods must be fueled, thereby if I purchase their robo-dogs, I would be actually helping out the industry, so... It's not that bad to help the corporations, is it? Probably not. In my mind, I'm kind of thinking that the corporate gods are like Apple and stuff like that, where you have to be in a cycle of perpetually renting things and not really owning it. You know how they kind of turn off your phone after a while? That type of thing. You don't own anything in the modern age. Dun, dun. If you own anything that's gone of age. Ooh, a gift in a tree. Now that's what I need. Yeah, doink. Wait, doink. Come on, doink it. Yeah, man, doink it. We got it. We doink. Lots of concrete limestone. I really would like to speed this one up, but can't overpower things yet. Let's just keep feeding the leaves into this system. So long as we can keep the concrete and the copper filled, I think we should be good. Copper wire, I'm not really worried about at all. Nope, this is all copper. The left side was all iron. Yep. We're still doing well. I'm just gonna let it finish that mound up and continue exploring, I guess. Or look at what I can make in the future. Yes, I think I'm gonna do that. Bounce. There. Oh! Calendar! What's going on? What are you? Actual snow? Well, that's sweet. Is there anything else? A present. Yes, I'll take it. This is great. I don't know what this is, but it's weird. I like it. A coupon? Wow. To Costco? Amazing. Invigorating, I love it. Ornaments? Yes, I would love that. I don't know. Ooh, what's on my chest? Oh, naughty. Yeah, bow tie. I guess I have to see if I can do anything with this. What can I do with you? It can probably be made out of... Can I burn it for fuel? Coal! It's fuel. Gonna have to set these aside though. There we go. Rub the sand out of your eye. So at 440, copper wires are almost about done. Soon enough we can focus on building concrete fully and wires. Sounds good, because if I can get this fuel going for a while, that would be great. Here we go. We got all the wires, now we just need to make cable. Oh yeah, we have perfect. This is perfect. How many more? Actually, if we keep this going, that should be fine. So, I don't think we need any more of that, so let's just go straight into concrete. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-oo. Zippy zippy doo 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 doo. That was not anything that you've heard before, thereby it's not anything that you recognize. I don't know why I'm worrying about that type of stuff. I legitimately am a small YouTuber. I have no worries in the world. I don't make money. Why do I make myself worry about that type of stuff anyhow? Maybe I just worry that, actually I worry for no reason. That is a very silly thing to do. Maybe I just watched too many YouTube videos about people complaining about it. Probably. Why do I talk to myself? Maybe because I'm the only one talking and I can't fill the void. Probably. Is it like a maddening type of thing to do? Like people might think you're insane? Probably. And I'm probably not helping myself by answering my own questions. Yeah, we're not. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I'm going insane. Okie dokie. There's really not a lot other... Why did I pick up limestone? Anyhow. Not a lot. I have wood, I have grass. Should be good for the most part. I legitimately am just sitting around waiting, filling up piles of grass. Tis life. Screw. Cable. Concrete. I don't exactly want to make a conveyor belt of like automated crafting machines because frankly I would have to deconstruct it and do some rewiring all the time, so it's better to like put it manually and have control fully and having power be minimalized as much as possible. And now we can actually invest it. Yes, finally we gathered all the materials. Why did I split it? Okay, screws, wires, concrete. Send it to the tax. Send the taxes. There we go.
Milestone
My taxes.
reached. Biofuel will ensure maximum
Bye.
efficiency of biomass burners. To aid in
Goodbye.
biofuel production, you are now capable of removing foliage that consists
Bye.
primarily of wood. Additionally, R&D inflated your pocket dimension.
Oh wow, my pocket dimension got so much more thick. My thickness of my pocket dimension has increased. Thick. So I need reinforced iron plates, which needs screws, plates. I need rods, screws, cable. Add to do this, yeah. Makes a chainsaw. Okay, we're doing that. It's a very simple plan. For the chainsaw for the massacre. I already have all the cables, it seems. Iron rods were great on that. Screws were getting up there, actually. We just need the plates. Actually, I feel like I should probably make that manually, the reinforced iron plates. I mean, it's only 5. Oh, yeah. So easy, so much easier. Just imagine if I had to, like, make a machine do this for me, because frankly, it's only efficient when you have a really good infrastructure. That's why I want the build-to-build thing that makes it organized. That's my plan. If you have organization up to par, then everything will go to plan. Let's get the concrete bit going, though, because I feel like that's the best material. Just plop you down in there. That's copper. I mean, I guess I could make more copper, like wiring again, and then keep that going. Screws are still screws, so actually we're getting very close to the chainsaw. Hey! Are they still filling all these up? Yeah, looks like it. It's a very slow pace, but it's really efficient for me. I really hope I don't have to fight any more spiders around here. Maybe I do. Maybe I would have to if I go around it. Maybe I just won't go around it. Oh look, the taxes are back. Are you giving me back money because you realize how poor I am? the cries of sadness.
Milestone exchange concluded. Fix-it freighter re-entry complete.
Here we go. 1 for the step, 2 for the kind, 3 for the one with nice behind. Oh yeah, screws. Game telling me build a space elevator, but I want a chainsaw. Haha, chainsaw. Yes. Wait a minute, don't I need biomass to use a chainsaw? Solid biofuel, that's what I need, and I need biomass. But if I make it out of wood, I get a lot of biomass. I'm a genius. This is the way to go. Much more efficient. Yes. Now, let's see, now that we have enough of that, let's see what base building is. So I need plates, concrete, and rods. Got it. Now that I have a chainsaw, just pop you open. Come on. There we go. Burn. Haha! Wood. Let's go. Merry Christmas. Enough of that. Chopping all the making the way for. Running away. I am very fearful indeed. It was you who made me scared. I swear, if I get a cannon, it might hit you. That is such a weak threat. I may inflict damage on your body. Actually, no, that actually does sound like a threat. I think I'm done being a threatening person. I shall be a pacifist until I get attacked. Is that pacifism? If you pass someone your fist, is that pacifism or fistifism? Probably fistifism. A physicist. A physicist? A physicist. A physician. Either one. Gather. A lot of gathering in this game. Okay. Did I not really gather anything? What did I gather? Copper? Really? Oh, no one copper. One iron. Take the iron, turn it into something good. Now, the question is, because I know biomass is much more of an efficient fuel, I just need the concrete for efficient routes. I should actually highlight what I need for this. That'd be good. Base building. Select milestone. There we go. 200 concrete, 100 rods, and 100 plates. Easy enough. I actually don't need copper wiring at all for this, so we'll switch things up, make iron plates the main strong suit, get that into production, and keep concrete going up high. Okay, Zebra, nice meeting you. Can you just stay calm? Well, time to bring down some trees. Goodbye, nature. I heard something dangerous. Stay there, nature. I like the hummings of engines. I don't like whatever was that. Anyhow, you are a tree that has been in my way. Goodbye. Do they even have flowers? Lumber. I'll keep this tree because it's not in my way. I don't intend to use it. This tree's gonna stay here forever. Whatever that was, that sounded terrifying. And that was around my area, so I don't know how I feel about that. Let's make more rods. That's how I feel about that one. Plates. Concrete. Ah, everything seems to be in good control. I guess what I could do is manually make some things to make it go faster. Let's do concrete. Of course, I can make sure that everything's topped off. Actually, it's not. Let's actually do that then. If we can make wood into biomass, that means it'd be efficient. Which would be good. I'm not gonna go the route of make it anything. biofuel, I think. But having it be based on wood would definitely be an upside. I don't know where I was thinking actually. I just wanted to make sure that my fuel is up to par. Got all the rods we need. Got all the plates we need. How about the concrete? Concrete, no, but we're getting there. So I guess I'll just take a bit more of concrete and make it myself. Collect, and should be able to make it with this. Why was there a skip? Was there like a locksmith? Weird. Oh no, it was just because the slight pause, that's it. Oh, I just have to hold it down. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Yep. This is concrete. It's hard. And a powder. Powders are nice. Freedom! There we go. Boom. Boom. How? Definitely gonna need more concrete, but here are my taxes. Haha!
Milestone reached. You have
Big on
unlocked
taxes.
several structures aimed to provide the first needed to build basic factory infrastructure and improved overview. Building these will provide a grid for more advanced organizing and sectioning of your factory.
All I heard was taxes. Oh, Launchpad is still gone. Anyhow. Hi. How are ya? Oh, we're done. Let's see what we can build with foundations. We need floors. That's the first things. So we need concrete and plates. Cool. So that means, you know, let's keep constructing rods in the meantime because those are actually useful. Plates we need more of, so let's grab this. Let's top off these. Get the plates running again. And keep the concrete flowing. Concrete will be very, very, very important. One, two. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Here's the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. Hey, the taxes. They're gone. Empty, which is a bit. Let's see if there's a coffee table inside my room. Oh, it's the same thing. Play Productive Packer Deluxe. What's this? How to play? Oh my god, I love it! Oh! So... what is this? What? Oh no, I messed up. Send. Oh, this is cool, and it keeps. Oh, that's cool. Hell yeah. Do I have anything to fix that? No, I don't. Actually, this. Yes. I need to get good at this game. Go. The world depends on it. Oh no. That would have been perfect there. No. Send. Send. Bye-bye. Hey, I did it. That's a fun game. That's actually really that's an amazing way of distracting me. And get the machines do all the work while I play Tetris or whatever. Hacker Simulator. Definitely not Tetris. It's just something that reminds me of it. It's beautiful. I'm really happy I figured out that there's a game like that. Go on. Collect you. Store you. Just collect. Oh, I didn't even collect it. There we go. We got rods going. Let's get these plates. And let's get the concrete. Actually, we're not waiting on anything, so we can just start building now. So I'm thinking. Let's start out more towards this direction. But before that, actually, pick up the leaves. Clear the way. So many plants. Make way for nature. Actually, make way for corporations. Nature. Out of my way. I actually don't need all the plants, maybe. Let's building. So my guess, build this like that. And continue. Yep. Can I drag this? Oh, I can't. It's like block by block. Okay. Not bad. Still convenient. Oh no, this truck. Yes. Okay. Now we have a ramp. Make the on-ramp right here. Perfect. Ah, so finally, flat surface that makes me comprehend what's happening. Ground, metal ground, I love you. I can't crouch. Mwah. But in all, I think that was it. I think we're good here. Thank you all for joining me. I've been Vale. Until then, well, until next time, you have a good one. See ya.